Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This is Gopi Chandran. Today the topic which we are going to discuss is about intraday stock selection. So this is a very important topic because many of you will not be aware of how to select a stock for a intraday trading. So before getting into this topic, let me just tell you, I have made two strategy videos. First strategy is a monthly strategy and the second one is a weekly strategy. So if you are willing to purchase this video, I will give my number in the description, so you can contact me in the number. And there is 80% probability of winning the trade, and the rest adjustment, everything is explained in this video. So now let's see what are the parameters that you have to see before selecting a stock for a intraday. So the first thing is you have to look into the futures open interest data. That is very important. So we should know the long built up, short built up, long unwinding and short covering. And the most important thing is the volume. There should be an increase in volume. So now let's see what is long built up. Long built up means people are taking position on a particular stock, assuming that the stock price will go up. That means when the futures open interest increases along with the price, so the futures OI is also increasing and the price is also increasing. That means a long built up is happening. Okay, and this should be supported with the volume. So now let's see what is short built up. Short built up means people are thinking that the market will go down or the stock price will go down, so they are taking a short positions. So this will happen when the open interest is also increasing and the price is decreasing. So when the price is decreasing, you should understand that there is a short built up happening. So now let's see what is long unwinding. Long unwinding means those people who have bought the stocks, they are so much exhausted and they are booking profits and they are coming out of the stock and they think that the rally is getting over. So now let's see what is short covering. Short covering means those people who have sold the stocks, they are booking profits and coming out of the stock. So what happens once they are coming out of the stock, there will be a reversal, so the prices will go up. So that is what is happening in short covering. So these are the most important parameters which you have to look in while you are selecting a stock for a intraday. And the volume plays a very important role in the stock selection, because if there is no volume, there is no movement in the stock. So the most important parameters which you have to give importance while selecting a stock for an intraday is long build up, short build up, long unwinding, short covering and volume. So now I will show you the best screener which you can select to know the stocks which are coming in this range, and you can do intraday trading. Now let's see the stocks and let's get into the video.
So friends, now let's see how we can select stocks for intraday. So now I am using Sensible. So those who have Zerodha, they can use Sensible. You can get a direct link. So those who don't have Zerodha, you can also log into Sensible and you can take their I think they are giving 7 days free trial and you can just check in. And so now I will show you how you can select the stock. So for that, first you have to come into analyze data. Okay, so once you get into analyze data, you can see screeners here. Okay, so once you select the screeners will come. Okay, so the screeners means you can select the stocks which come under this criteria. So now we are giving the criteria. The stock should be liquid. Whatever the stocks you are selecting, that should be a liquid stocks. Okay, and there should be a volume in it. Okay, because volume spike should come. So we are selecting volume spike because once the volume comes only, it's worth to invest, right? When the volume is not there, there is no point in investing in that stock. So volume should be there. Okay, now the points which we have discussed, long build up. So if you are bullish, view and the market is on a bullish side, it's better to go for long build up stocks. Okay, So now you, if you select long build up, you can see this stocks. Okay, so once at 9:15, when you give this screeners with this criterias, and the stocks comes like this. For example, today Tata Motors have come, Obra Realty have come. So this all stocks will come when you enter this criteria in this screeners. So you can enter in the stock. You have to look at the volumes, like see in this you can see 2.5 times, this is 6.1 times volume. So this was a better choice to invest in today's market. Okay, and OI changes, OI is also very good, 7.8. So this is how the people are giving you tips, and the brokers are giving you advices and all. So you don't have to depend on them now. Before they giving you advice, before they sending you messages and all, you can do it your own. Okay, so if you're a bullish view, you can select the stock, and you have to add some technical indicators in your chart. Okay, you have to add VWAP. Okay, you have to add moving averages, you have to add pivot points. Why I'm saying pivot points? Because you can know the support and resistance of the stock, and you have to add some indicators like parabolic SAR and all. Because once you add parabolic SAR and all, you can know when if the if the stock goes up, and if there is a downtrend coming, if the people are booking profits and all, you will come to know that. When the trend is getting reversed, you will come to know. So that is the point where you have to exit from the stock. Okay, so now let's see what is short covering. If you had short covering also, you can find so many other stocks. So this all we have discussed, because it's mentioned it's a bullish view. Okay, so if you are bearish on the market, or if you think you are planning to take a bearish view, you can find the long unwinding stocks, like one stock is here, and you can click here short build up. So this will come in your screener. You can refresh it, and you can see what all stocks are coming under this criteria. This is how you have to select stocks for the intraday trading. So now you don't have to depend on others for getting the screeners and all. It's very easy. So thank you.
Thank you all. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.